Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Jefferson County, southeastern Washington County, northwestern Madison County in southeastern Missouri, St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri, Francis County in southeastern Missouri until 12:30 p.m. At 9:31 a.m., the public reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain on Highway O at Park Hills, causing water over the roadway. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been reported by the climate reporting water over the roadway over Park Hills. The following events are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Farmington, Bondaris, Deloach, St. Genevieve, Bismarck, Redwood, Park Hills, Iron Mountain Lake, Louisville, Irondale,
Chill out.
Knob, Weingarten, Iron Mountain, Roselle, Leadington, Caledonia, French Village, and Mill. This includes the following state parks: St. Joe State Park, St. Francis State Park, Hunt State Park, Felix Valley House State Park, and Missouri Mines Historic Site. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 150 and 170. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In the Mediterranean, there are hundreds of low water crossings which